Art Faces. Today we're doing an unboxing. This is the first time I've been filming with this camera, so if the sound is a bit off, I do apologize. I won't know how it sounds until I get it into post-production. But today we're going to be unboxing a Diamond Art Club. And it is a square kit, and it is called Midnight Laundromat by Ivy Dolamore. And it measures 22 by 29 inches or 56 by 74 centimeters. This was a Black Friday purchase, so I'm very excited to get into it. I haven't seen anyone who's unboxed this before, but if you have unboxed it on your channel, I do apologize. I probably did not see the video. So let's get into it. Oops. Oh my god, I already cut the box. If you're new here and you like diamond painting, you like diamond painting videos, I'd love it if you join my hive. All you have to do is click that button, the red button right there that says subscribe, and you can get notified when I upload new videos by clicking the bell button. Let's pull this out. If this is your first Diamond Art Club, I will go through it very quickly. So you get a sticker. You can put this on the end of your box. You can put this in your logbook, wherever you want to put it. So we'll put it on the end of the box, right over the part that I nicked off. Midnight Laundromat, very exciting. You get a toolkit. They actually have new toolkits with their new kits. This is an older toolkit. So you get a whole bunch of baggies, a tray, a diamond painting tray, a pen, tweezers, and here is a squishy, and then you get 2 plates of wax, which you can see through the bag, and you get a 4-placer. I really like the 4-placers. I'm glad they include them. They're really easy to multi-place with. So let's get this stuff back in the bag, and then we'll open up our diamond painting. Right off the bat, here are our drills. You can see it says Midnight Laundromat. There's some colors, and then you get this sheet that has diamond painting instructions, and there's a code inside here for 10% off. And then here is a bigger image of the image, sorry. Here is a bigger image of the diamond painting we're going to be looking at. Midnight Laundromat, square, and here's the schematic. It is 43 colors, and it looks like there's going to be 4 AB. So anything with Diamond Art Club that's under 150 DMC, like the color code is under 150, that's going to be Aurora Borealis diamonds, and I'll show you those when we get to looking at the drills. Let's unroll this canvas. I'm very excited to see her. Look at this canvas, guys. It's gorgeous. Sorry for the glare from my window, but it is so cute. I love it. I love her attitude. I think this might be fan art of something. Is this fan art? Let me know in the comments down below if you know. Oh, I love it. She is wearing a plaid skirt. She's got her t-shirt on with her arm warmer. She's wearing little cute combat boots that are like platformed. She's in a laundromat. Oh my goodness. She has, let's see if I can show you better. Here's her face. She has little fangs. We can look at the drill field. Drill field, again, with Diamond Art Clubs, always look very clear. Oh my goodness, I love her so much. Do you guys love her? Let me know. I know that this probably won't be for everyone, but I'm in love with her. She is gorgeous. So here's the schematic. As you can see, there are 43 colors, and again 4 ABs. I love her. And then there's like blood splatter in the image, so I don't know what she's up to. She's washing her dirty, bloody clothes, but that's really cute. I just love her. I think she's so gorgeous. Did you get this one on Black Friday? Let me know. I got this one on Saturday after Black Friday because it was 30% off or something like that. I was very stoked to get this. Very excited. So let's take a look at the drills. We'll set her aside. Take a look at our drills here. Wow. So I'm not going to take them all out because I'm not going to be able to get them back in. But we'll pull out the ABs. So here is a blue AB. This is 138. So that's 138. This is, oh, no, sorry. That's 137. And that's 138 here. So you can see that it has like a special coating on it. And then this is 126. And this is 113. I like this pink color a lot. It's very beautiful. Purples, pinks, blues, and some grays. And of course some 310. So on the canvas, we're gonna point out where the ABs go. So number 1 is 113. So number 1 is that pink color AB. And you'll see it here. Where else? Along in her skirt. Some in her hair. So highlighting in her hair. And then the second AB is 126. So you'll see that in her hair. Highlights in her hair. And I think that's it. That looks like that's it. So lots of ABs in her hair so far. Then symbol 3 is 137. So it's that darker blue color. This blue color here, that's going to be all AB. In her nails, it's AB. And throughout here, there's ABs. And then, oh, and also up here, this little patch is ABs as well. And then number 4, which is 138, so the lighter blue color, you will see that in here. In the laundry basket with the bloody clothes, you'll see that down here. And also outlining her hair here. That's where it's all gonna be. Sorry for the glare, guys. So that is our Midnight Laundromat. I'm very excited to work on her. Let me know your thoughts. How did you grab her? Is she your style? Again, this is a new release by Ivy Dolamore. I don't know if they have other artwork by Ivy Dolamore. I'll have to check on the Diamond Art Club website, but I'll have this canvas linked below if you are interested in grabbing it. And if you're first time buying a Diamond Art Club, you can use my link for 15% off. I'd love it if you did. I will get referral points if you do use my link, but like don't be forced to use my link, but literally you get 15% off. So I'd be grateful if you did. With that being said, guys, this is all I have for this video. Let me know your thoughts on the quality of this video too, because this is my first time filming with this. I'm going to look into buying a mic, but until then, go ahead and click the subscribe button. I post new videos on an almost daily basis, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!